Alright, welcome back guys. In the last video, how exactly a client and a server interact with each other and how request and response work. To see this practically, I'm going to visit the URL mentioned here. I'll just open my web browser and here I'll press go to app. I'll just close this one and enter a URL which I would like to see. So I'll write www.facebook.com and this is how the response comes. So this is my request get, and the response 200 is what web browser has replied me back with. If I'll go to google.com, then my request would be Google, and with 14 headers, it is coming up with the response to my request. This is not exactly how HTML looks like. So look at an HTML page, it is not as good as here. This is being good because different font and CSS is working behind, and then many other programming language are working behind this. But if I'll try to switch back to see what HTML or the codes look like, if I toggle this, this shows me all the HTML part of it. If go to JSON, the font and it is showing me the piece of code basically behind this, which is making this page. This is the request and response function works and how clients send information to the browser and then browser get back. So HTML is a status programming language. So it is constant and it does not change the way dynamically things changes. I'll explain the state and what this concept is in the next video, but this is how exactly request and response works. All right, see you in the next.